Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.12 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then select Linux distributions. Then see here we have the latest version 7.1.12. Okay, so click on I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. So based on your OS version, you have to select the option. We have the 20, 22.04, 24.04 and 24.10. So select I'm on 24.04. So select 24.04. See, once you selected, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads. CD downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give virtual, press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, this is failed with this dependency is not installed. So install this one, copy this. See, we have to install these libraries. Ctrl A. Now install that. Sudo apt install, paste the library. This is the library. Hit enter. It won't work. We have to install the broken installation. So we have to run this broken install. So copy it. Sudo, paste it. Ctrl L, paste it, hit enter. See, now it is installing all these dependencies. Okay, hit enter. See, it is installing these dependencies. Okay, type and hit enter. See, installation completed. Now install the same package. Sudo dpkg -i, then Debian package name, hit enter. See, it is installing successfully. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. Maximize it. Now verify the version. Go to help. Then about VirtualBox. See, here we have the 7.1.12. Close it. If you want to create virtual machine, click on new. Then you have to fill all these details. Okay, like name of the virtual machine, location to store the virtual machine, files and folders, then ISO image, then type of the operating system, Linux, Solaris, or whatever the option that you want. We have to click on next. Okay, this is the way. Or if you have an existing virtual machine, you have to click on add. We have the same options here, new and add. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.12 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.